Alright, what's going on, guys? Today we got the Ninja DualBrew Pro, and we got two dogs here, and we got Danny here. We're gonna unbox this thing. She really wanted a coffee machine. This is the one we went with. Tell them why we went with this.
Because I was desperate to getting one. Our old coffee machine was broken.
Yeah.
Say broken?
Yeah. Let's crack this puppy open. We don't really have scissors or anything, so you wanna like claw out the box?
Because you opened it wrong.
Or we could give it to the dogs to tear up.
Oh yeah. Canelo. You can see his ears.
You can see his ears. That's Canelo. Shout out Canelo. Alright, let's get this puppy.
No way.
Need help?
No.
Man, do we have anything sharp here? No, we don't. You can just use your S-Pen and go ksh.
That's gonna damage it.
I know. But then you can get a replacement at Best Buy. Same place where we got this coffee machine. This puppy's gonna run you $200 before tax, I believe. I think that's how much it was.
Yeah, it was like $199.99.
Yeah. Boom. Alright, so no one cares about this. And then we have this thing.
It's for the coffee.
Oh yeah. Here, Iris, inspect this. Okay, so now Danielle is gonna open the contents in the box. Go ahead. Wait, what's this?
That is the frother thing.
Yes.
Yeah, we got
Look at
the
that.
frother. It's a little different though, because it's like...
A little peculiar, one would say. That's cool. Alright, let's get this top off. Nice packaging. They got this on top so the thing doesn't shake in shipment. Shout out Ninja. Alright.
Cable!
Yeah! Okay. Okay, so now we got
probably
the coffee
take
machine
this
itself wrapped. We got this thing, nothing in there.
So it doesn't...
This is nice, good packaging for shipment. Alright, go ahead and pull that thing out. Dang, son. And then we got nothing else in the box. Alright.
I didn't expect this to be all put together already.
Yeah, I thought there was going to be a lot of parts. But that's cool. I appreciate it. Thank you, Ninja, for setting this all up. Yeah, for real. Alright, but let's get a looks of this thing. Look at that thing. Oh, there's a lot of plastic here. Oh, yeah. Oh, and there's it appears to be a compartment here. What could this be? Oh! It's the, what's it called? It's the thing. Yeah, there it is. Alright. So. Oh.
No, don't fall.
Sorry, Iris is getting scared. So here's the actual like cup thing itself.
Yeah.
And then nothing else in the box.
For hot coffee.
Okay. Oh wait, we gotta do the peel. Satisfying peel. That was very nice. Looking nice.
We have
Oh wait, we got some stuff
plastic.
there. More plastic. And it's all set up pretty much though.
Is this to put like a smaller cup?
There's a little plastic on the back too for this thing. This thing that sticks out. Oh, we should like lift this up so the viewers can see it.
Oh yeah, we didn't even
And then
lift it
we'll do
up.
some close-ups. We'll do a little, like a few shots with our S24 Ultra to show you guys some close-ups of this thing. But look at it. That thing looks cool. I wanted to throw this like the box for a second, but hey, this looks super nice and clean, very lightweight, and it already came built, which is pretty nice. And we got this thing, pretty cool, pretty cool. Iris, what do you think about this? Come here. Come here. Come here.
Oh, she
All right, she don't like it. Oh, Canelo likes it though. Look at it. Oh, and he just drooled all over the cable. All right,
no.
all right, bye Canelo. All right, guys, this is the. Which Ninja is this specifically? We'll leave a link in the description below if you're trying to buy this. DualBrew Pro specialty coffee system. Shout out Best Buy because you can buy this on Best Buy. And if you're going to go to Best Buy, I highly recommend you get a warranty on this because Best Buy's warranties are awesome. And you always want to get Best Buy warranties. Oh, there's another sticker.
Awesome.
All right, and then let's get some close-ups of this thing. And yeah, what do you have to say to the viewers?
This is exciting.
I know. Coffee test coming soon.
Yes. Okay, here's the coffee machine. Got the different water levels for what you want. We got the regular cup, travel size, half a pot, 3/4, and a full pot of coffee.
Oh, we got the pot.
And then on the side, this is where the frother goes. And also, it said this on the manual. I gotta peel here first. Got a satisfying peel. Oh, uh-oh. No, it's not satisfying. But we have a measuring cup for like the different amount of coffee you want, which is also great, or specialty stuff. That's pretty cool. Frother's gonna go in here, which is pretty cool. This way to lock it, as you could probably see. You just put whatever drink in there and it'll start spinning, doing its thing. So yeah. And then when you open this up, you could put your little bag for your grinds, or you could also put K-cups there, right? Yeah, okay. That's the K-cup. And I think if I open, I don't want to break this. Hold up. Okay, so I did find something else. So when you open this, I'm not crazy on coffee, but I'm learning. It says, oh my god. You hold the camera.
I'll hold this.
Hold the camera.
I'll hold these.
It looks like this comes out, but I'm scared I'm gonna break it. Oh, okay. Slide for grounds. Okay, there we go.
Got another peel.
Got another peel. Oh my god, I have hair on my finger. Stop.
The hair is fine. Alright, it's gone. And we got a nice peel.
Yay.
That was good.
But yeah, okay, we slide for grounds. There you go. And it has like a little thing here. That stays that way. I'll learn. Little by little. Oh my god. Right.
There we go.
Okay. And then this is a pod adapter. So, okay. You push. Pull to lock adapter and lift handle. I don't know. Oh! I knew it opened.
Good
I
job.
don't know how though. Hold up. Maybe I need to pull this out. Let me see something. Oh, okay. And this is where the actual liner goes for the regular coffee. Okay. So this is for the regular coffee. And oh my god. Stop. Oh my god. Okay, there you go. Wait, but then this doesn't come out. Do I have to remove?
I think you need to remove it.
That's so weird. Okay. So we open this, move this out, and then I'll slide.
Let me hold this open.
Yeah, it's probably a good idea.
And that probably slides.
Right in.
There we go. And then that back part of this thing kind of just goes.
Yeah, this goes in.
Boom. Yeah, it's easy. We just made it look hard.
Yeah. Oh, and then I pull to lock the adapter, and that's for the K-cups. Okay, we got it. And I'd hope that's all. Unless this...
That's pretty much it, really.
Yeah.
Except the fact that this will come off.
Of course, keep it warm or hot.
And yeah.
How do you like your coffee?
And there is the Ninja Coffee review. Say hey, Danny. Hey, Canelo.